Yeah. SO6P GEI. Heroic poet, making moves like I'm the dopest. Yeah, you know you're gonna lose, right? Taking steps forward, thankful for a new day. Blessed and less fortunate, may fortune come your way. New year, no tears, pain, push it to the rear. No fear, shine bright, all competitors beware. No looking back unless somebody slacked and pick them up. Throw away the garbage, hear that trash man in the truck. Don't be mad at me when I go right past ya. Had my hand out for the longest, but you passed up. It's a lot of backstabbers out there pretending, but I see behind me in that real shit I'm living. Bass bust your eardrum, airwaves got your ear numb. This music pollute, a better way they want none. Train assassin, assassinate what's lacking. Filled with passion, I only act with action. Attack with the mic stand, shoot with the right hand. Third eye vision, so my plan's way bigger than strangle cord, watch them choke. Hopeless, toss them off the boat. Blow your vision now while you drown, she gon' deep throat. Women start a lot of wars, don't be fooled by the draws. Fuck you while you sleep, predators, you turn into jaws. I try not to fall for that bullshit. I still progress and grow, I'm a gift. New year, motivated forward, can't stop me now. Execute the plans, got the time, get it, when and how. Go harder than last year, progress and grow. It's no pain that we feel, scars don't show. New year, motivated forward, can't stop me now. Execute the plans, got the time, get it, when and how. Go harder than last year, progress and grow. It's no pain that we feel, scars don't show.
Me, I'm a veteran, everyone else who I'm better than. Flow stay incredible, y'all sick, not credible. Nope, you got beef that's edible. I stay hungry, never full, so what the fuck y'all wanna do? SO6P a jewel, GEI2, stay tuned, we making moves. New year, new groove, the rest bland tofu. We pass up on the postal, our coming is overdue. We leave you salty like Chinese food. Now fuck that, run it back, I thank the Lord that I'm still here. By His grace I see another year. Been through hell and back, but I'm back standing right here. On the precipice of greatness, only right I commandeer. Destiny or fate, use whatever name you will. They both fit the bill, I'm building upon a dream I conceived as a child. A vision that seems so foreign right now. Cause somewhere along the way I got lost in the cloud, let life tear me down. But I overcame the adversities that incited the doubt. My insecurities I use fire to purge them out. So now my vision clearer than it's ever been. The picture I've been developing is finally up in my grasp. So I can tell the trees from the forest, the weeds from the grass. The diamonds from the coals, it's in my code to surpass anything and everything. Malcolm X by any means.
New year, motivated forward,